Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Oxygen TV step by step clearly. To activate Oxygen TV, begin by opening the Oxygen TV app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, visit your device's app store and download it. Once the app is open, you will see a welcome screen with an option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. After entering your login information, click Continue or Next. The app will then provide you with an activation code. Make sure to note down this code, as you will need it in the next steps. Next, open a web browser on a computer or another device. In the browser, go to the Oxygen TV activation website. You will see a field where you can enter the activation code. Type the code you noted down earlier into this field. After entering the code, click the Activate button. The website will then confirm that your device has been activated. Return to the Oxygen TV app on your device. You may need to refresh the app or restart it for the changes to take effect. Once the app is refreshed, you should be signed in and ready to enjoy Oxygen TV. If you encounter any issues during the activation, double-check your internet connection and try again. Now you can explore all the content available on Oxygen TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.